Dear students, today we are discuss about input output devices. So what is mean by input? What do you mean by output? Okay. Let us start. Computer system. A computer is a machine that works on electricity. Definitely. Whatever may be the device, electronic device, without electricity the system will not work. Okay. Now coming to the input, then processing, then output. Let us explain about what is input, processing and output. Input means what? Suppose we are having keyboard, so you have to text it or we have to type it, some alphabet, some symbols, some characters, some numbers. You can type it on your keyboard, and that thing will be processed by using your central processing unit. You can call it as CPU, and whatever you are typing, that thing will be display or that thing will be displaying on your computer screen. Okay, so this is the sequence about your computer. First keyboard, then it will be processed, then it is your computer screen, or you can say monitor. Okay, now next coming to the input devices. What is your input devices? The devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. Some common used input devices are discussed below, that is called keyboard. You know, everybody, what is the use of keyboard? We can type some alphabet, some symbols, some characters, some numbers. So many things are there. According to our requirement, you can use our keyboard. Okay. Next, typing keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, numeric keyboard. So these are the different types of keys are available on your keyboard. So as I said, whatever your requirement, then only you can use that particular key and you will get your result or desired output. Next, coming to the another input device, that is called mouse. Everybody, you have seen mouse. What is the use of that? A mouse is a small pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons on its top. Obviously you have seen the mouse. Whenever you will see the mouse, 3 keys are there. One is a left key, right key, and one circle button is there. Okay, that is, you can say cursor, you can use it up and down. Okay, so I think no need to much more explain about what is the use of mouse. Everybody are well acquainted about it. What is the use of mouse? Then coming to the another input device, that is called, you see, another input device, that is scanner. So scanner, what is the use of scanner? Let us explain deeply. Suppose I have one scanner device or scanner, and I need to scan my original certificate, my result certificate, final certificate you can say. Okay, so that thing I have to make it soft copy. Soft copy in the sense I have to use it scan. So same file I will be get in form of JPG, in form of PDF, you can change it. Okay, so suppose same PDF file or same scan copy, if I want to send to my friends, so through email we can send it. We cannot send our original certificate. Same thing, we have to make it scan, then only you can send it to my friends through email. Okay, so you right now you understood that what is the use of scanner, means same thing, it will be make PDF file. Okay, so similarly different types of scanners are there, that is flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, handheld scanner. Okay, next coming to the barcode reader. Barcode reader means what? It is one kind of vertical lines are there. So inside the vertical lines, using the barcode machine, if you will use it, I think you are more acquainted about this barcode. Whenever we are go to the shopping mall, they are using that machines or not. Every product they are using barcode, and the machine, if they are showing to the barcode, it is showing the product as its value. Everything will be showing. Okay, barcode everybody understood. Next, what is the use of light pen? Light pen, a light pen is a pen like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the displaying screen. Let us explain what is that. Let us go for one example. Suppose you are going to give one presentation to your colleagues or to your friends. Okay, all are sitting together and you are giving presentation. So frequently you cannot go to the your slides, so you go and you will tell them this is the picture, this is the statement, this is the line, this is the diagrams. So बार बार तुम तो वो slide के पास जा नहीं सकते, तो by using the light pen you can show that to your projector or show that your TV screen. So this is the picture, this is the sentence, everything you can show it by using your light pen. Everybody understood or not? Then coming to the digital camera. A digital camera is used to take photographs and record videos. Everybody well acquainted about what is digital camera and how to use it. Obviously it captures the pictures and store the videos also. Anytime wherever we want to send the files, we can easily send it, and it is having some internal storage device, so that it stores some photos or videos, you can say. So that is the use of digital camera. Next, what is the web camera? Web camera everybody know also. So for all the government organization, or if you want to chat anybody else using web camera also, you can go for the video chat. Okay. Microphone. What is the microphone? What is the use of microphone? Microphone, you know, it is one kind of speaker, or it is one kind of sender. Sender in the sense transmitter. Whatever you are telling on your microphone, it will be audible to the audience or audible to the public, you can say. Okay. So microphone is a transmitter or transmitting device, and speaker is nothing but your receiving device. It will be received, whatever you are speaking, that will be audible. Next, touchpad. Touchpad is used on the laptop computers instead of a mouse. हम लोग टच स्क्रीन मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं ना, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टच पैड. पहले से हम लोग क्या है, बटन वाला मोबाइल यूज कर रहे थे. अभी तो सब क्या है, टच पैड आ रहा है. मतलब जहाँ पे टच कर रहे हो वो हमारा मोबाइल ऑपरेट हो रहा है. लाइक योर लैपटॉप ऑल्सो यू हैव सीन. ओके. सो व्हाट एवर थिंग्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड, whatever things just now we discussed, they all are input devices. Coming to the output devices. Output devices are used to display data that we enter into a computer, and the results we get after processing. Monitor, printer and speakers are the examples of output devices. Let us go for one by one. What is monitor? The most common output device is the monitor. It is similar to a television. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. There are three types of monitors are there. So let us go for one example. Suppose monitor. Monitor means what? The computer screen you are seeing na, that is called monitor. Whatever results you are getting on your computer screen, and that thing you can say that is your monitor. Okay. Coming to the speaker, just now I said speaker, whatever voice is coming, that is comes from what? Microphone, and it is audible on your speaker only. Then printer. Printer means what? Whatever we are having files, that thing if you are going to take print out, that is the use of printer only. With the help of printer only we can go for some hard copy, that is we can go for some printouts. Okay. Then last, central processing unit, that is called CPU, central processing unit. This is called the heart of the computer. You can say for human being our heart is very very important. Without heart your body will not work. Okay, similarly without CPU the computer will not work. I hope everybody understood what I am saying. Okay, everybody understood what do you mean by CPU? Okay, so it is generally categorized into three ways. One is the memory unit, arithmetic and logical unit, and control unit. Memory unit means what? This unit stores information temporarily or permanently according to our need. मेमोरी यूनिट का काम क्या है? कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट हो, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन को हम लोग चाहे तो टेम्पररीली भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं या परमानेंटली स्टोर भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, दैट इज द यूज ऑफ मेमोरी यूनिट. व्हाट इज अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट? This unit performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations. Suppose we are writing 5 plus 7, it gives 12. Okay, so whatever arithmetic calculations it gives, so because of ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit only. Control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman and manages all the operations of a computer. मीन्स जितना सारे operations हम लोग कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर में, okay, that will be managed by the control unit. Okay, so I hope everybody understood what is the use of central processing unit and memory unit क्या है, arithmetic and logic unit, what is the use of ALU, what is the most important, that is what is the use of control unit, just now we discussed. I hope everybody understood about this topic.